All right, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right, very quickly, I just want to explain the best intraday trade that I have taken, right, which is actually very insane. It's actually unbelievable, and one of the reasons why I decided to record this analysis, right, is just to show you what I do. All right, as you can see on the daily time frame, this pair is bullish, right? But we don't have any structure yet to buy it on the 4-hour time frame. Likewise, right, this pair has been going down, but as an intraday trader, right, I go to 1-hour time frame, but I can't really see any structure here. Then also on the 15 minutes time frame, I go down to the 15 minutes time frame. But what can I see here? I can see the market is going down in a bearish structure. So this is actually a lower high, right, a lower low, another lower high. Then I can see another lower low here. Now this particular lower high has an impulsive move down, right, which actually doesn't break market structure, but it's actually still okay. This is one of my reversal pattern that I always look out for. Or I can also see that there is an OB here, which is actually not perfect. So this makes me to mark, right, this OB, right. Then I decided to move down to a lower time frame just for me to get the best structure to trade from, right, because this is really what I do, right, for me to get the best structure, right, and for me to get a precise zone where this market might likely reverse from. All right, so on the 1 minute time frame, this I look for a good zone, just like what I've actually looked out for on the higher time frame. All right, which is this zone, right? This particular zone might be the one, but I've seen this many times, hundreds of times, that most of the time market will come back to this zone. So which makes me to really mark this zone as where market will come from. Now, this is actually a strong zone based on my definition. My market has already retested it once, so this actually doesn't mean that that zone will not be retested again. Right, and so this very day, right, this was on the 8th of September. On the 8th of September, right, I can see when price pulled back to this, but price did not give me any good structure as I really wanted to. Now market made a low, then actually it gave something like a lower high, right, and actually make another low. Now this particular zone is actually the first zone, right, I'm looking out for. This particular zone is the first zone I'm looking out for. Then this is the second one. When I saw that this pattern also formed, then this makes the second zone that I am looking out for. Now with this, I can see that this candle is actually too big for me to trade from, so I'm looking for the 50%. Now this particular first zone is actually a loss trade, although this is actually my best short. Why? Because this is actually closer to my rejection zone, because I don't really like trading away from the rejection zone. So which implies that with this, right, based on my rules, right, we have a multiple break structure there, multiple break block in there, right? So which makes me to mark that this particular refinement. Then my entry is here. Actually on this one also my entry is here, but this was a loss, right? Then this entry, right, about this actually gave me the 1 pip stop loss. As you can see, 1 pip stop loss. Then just like what I said, my target is always at the end of the day. Now this is when I took my entry. This is where I took my entry, right? Then my target was the end of the day, right? Which was actually this particular area, which gave me about 101 pip, right? So which implies that I have I closed at 101 pip. So this gave me about 101%. I actually round it up to 100% risk reward ratio on this trade alone. All right, guys, thank you so much. So we'll catch up later.